Today I wanted to show you inside one of our cages, inside our aviary. So we've got a pair of Scarlet-Chested Parrots, and we also have our Cubans, a pair of Cuban Finches. So we've got 3 meters by 1.5 meters is the aviary size. We have plenty of small twigs so that the finches can make their nest, which they've already just started nesting over here in this nest box. You can see just there that the female finch has started taking in some bedding. We have plenty of perches for the scarlets. This is our gorgeous male Scarlet-Chested Parrot. And up here is the female. These guys are about 12 months old. And we have recently put a nest box up for these guys. They may still be a little bit young to breed, but we'll leave that up to their choice. We've got a little swing that we hook the broccoli to. They have a bit of fun there. We've got a little bird bath over here. Some features. They love having a bath in there. Lots of room for them to play and a good flight path for all the birdies. I'll give you an update when they start nesting.